Hey, what's up? Hopefully you watched my first video and earned around $50 using those free methods. Today I'm going to show you how to take the next step. The goal here is to set up an effective campaign while using the least amount of money as possible. Okay, so if your offer has been going good, that you used during the free advertising process, I would continue with it. If not, I would check out a new offer because now we are going to start spending some money. Okay, so let's look for some offer. Usually I use email submits because those are pretty easy to do and people are very willing to give out the email. So let's just pick a random one. Okay, Best Buy $1,000 gift card. Okay, we have to make sure that we search PPC is there. Make sure we're allowed to do that. And the next thing we want to do is we're going to add a sub ID so we can use some tracking. So I'm going to call it 7Search because that is the network search engine I'm going to be using. So you just click add, and so we're going to start our campaign. So head over to 7Search, which hopefully you signed up for already, and we're going to create a campaign name. I'm just going to call it Best Buy, and default ad title. Let's see. We could go for easy one. Best Buy. How about free $1,000 Best Buy gift card, because that's exactly what it says. Okay. So we're going to paste that there and add the word free. On the description, we are just going to say exactly what they have to do. So what we're going to do is, tell them they have to enter their email and their participation is required. This deters clicks from people just clicking to look at it. And if they know participation is required, they might not want to do it. So just type submit your email to register for a free Best Buy gift card. I like to highlight the word free because people like free. Participation is required. So the display URL is going to be this one, amazingfreerewards.com. So let's type that in there. amazingfreerewards.com, and our destination URL is going to be the one we just created with a sub ID so we can track it. So we're going to copy and paste that right there. And the website category is, let's just go with general computers, or computers general. There we go. Okay, you can set up a daily budget if you wish. At this time I'm not going to, but the next thing you want to do is select specific countries. You only want to select countries that are allowed, so the United States in this case. So you select the United States, click add, and then we create the campaign. Okay, this is where the best part comes in. So we're only going to try one keyword at a time to see which works and which doesn't. I would suggest entering your daily campaign at something cheap that you were willing to lose, something between $5 to $10. Okay, so you cannot bid on trademark. That means you can't bet on the word Best Buy. So we're going to look at, how about gift card? So we'll look that up, gift card. And it's going to give us some other suggestions that people look up when they search gift cards. So we have to wait and check out what that says. Okay, so let's check the top clicks per month. And gift card only you can get very cheap. So I'll pick the gift card. So starting bid, we're just going to go at 5 cents. So we'll just go 5 cents and see what position that gets us. So we submit our keywords, and then we manage our keywords, and we want to see what rank we are based on our bid. So right now our rank is 4, which is, personally, I think it's a pretty solid rank. We want to be anywhere from 2 to 4. So if you bet, but you have to bet a cent higher to get into that 2 spot. So I think we're a pretty solid position. And that's about it. You just have to wait a day and check out how your gift card's doing. If you are making more money than you're spending, obviously that's pretty good. So you want to keep that running. Then occasionally you could add and subtract keywords. Then what you want to do for that is add different sub-IDs for each keyword. So to make it a lot easier to track which keywords are doing well and which keywords are not. So hopefully you learned a little bit in this video, and I'll see you next time. See ya.